welcome back to Sunny Live Show. And thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with Mzada Celebrity Stories. And well, guys, kade kwi-birthday kababa ke uVusi Kunene owaziwa ke njengo Jack Mabaso on Generations and Generations The Legacy. Guys, he's been kule story ke for the longest time, and I think uyena ke omdala ukubadlula ke bonke. Uhambile ke waphinde wabuya. So guys, he was turning iminyaka ke ewu-59. Ubaba ke uVusi ke Kunene wazalelwa eMidlands Soweto, and yeah guys, that's how they celebrated him ke, the cast and the crew. And yeah man, we love him so much guys, we love him so much. Sike sambona futhi laphana ke ku House of Zwide as ufunani, but akahlalanga isikhathi ngoba nangimanje ubuyile guys, ubuyile ku-Generations kula kusekhaya lakhe khona ngampela ke. He's turning 59 years of age, and we thank God bakithi ukuthi amgcine phila. We thank God for umsebenzi awenzayo. We really like him, we enjoy his craft, and in that note, happy birthday or happy belated birthday to him.